Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your go-to spot for camera reviews, gear breakdowns, and the latest in photography tech. Today we're taking a closer look at the brand new Nikon ZF Mark II, a camera that blends classic retro design with modern mirrorless power. With its upgraded sensor, advanced autofocus, and stunning video capabilities, the ZF Mark II is built for creators who want both style and performance in one package. Fire. Whether you're a photographer chasing sharp stills or a filmmaker looking for cinematic video, this camera is turning heads in 2025, and we're here to see if it's really worth the hype. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's dive right into the Nikon ZF Mark II. The Nikon ZF Mark II is a stunning blend of vintage design and modern performance. With its classic retro-inspired body, it pays homage to Nikon's heritage while packing in the latest technology for today's creators. Built around a full-frame sensor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality with rich colors, sharp details, and excellent low-light performance, making it a fantastic option for both photography and videography. Performance-wise, the ZF Mark II really shines. It offers fast and reliable autofocus with advanced subject detection, ensuring you never miss a moment. The burst shooting speed is impressive for action and street photography, while the in-body image stabilization keeps shots steady, even in handheld low-light conditions. On the video side, it supports high-quality 4K recording with great dynamic range, making it a strong choice for hybrid shooters. What makes the Nikon ZF Mark II stand out is its perfect balance of style and substance. It feels premium in hand, offers intuitive manual controls for enthusiasts, and still packs smart features for convenience. Whether you're a professional looking for a creative tool or a hobbyist who wants both beauty and performance, the ZF Mark II is a camera that delivers on all fronts. Beautiful blend of retro design and modern performance, featuring a full-frame sensor that delivers outstanding image quality with vibrant colors, sharp detail, and impressive low-light capability. Its fast and accurate autofocus with subject detection makes it reliable for portraits, action, and street photography, while in-body stabilization ensures smooth, steady shots. On the video side, it records stunning 4K footage with excellent dynamic range, making it a solid choice for hybrid creators. Stylish, powerful, and versatile, the ZF Mark II is a camera that truly combines vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.